Now, I may not have half his paper, but I got twice the dick, and you can believe that. But on the real, though, I love to one of Trump's ex-wives, just to know what it's like to come in the money. Donald say he wants to run for president and move on into the White House. Why not? It wouldn't be the first time you pushed a black family out of their home.